Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your GMC Acadia's side detection system using an easy method. First, let's confirm the system isn't simply disabled. Check your vehicle's infotainment settings to ensure the side detection feature is active. Sometimes, it can be inadvertently switched off. Also, quickly inspect the rear bumper for any obvious dirt, mud, or debris that might be blocking the sensors. A quick visual check can save you a lot of time. Many side detection issues stem from simple environmental factors. Dirt, mud, or even a thin layer of ice can easily block the sensors located on your rear bumper. A thorough cleaning of these areas is often all that is needed. Additionally, sometimes a complete vehicle shutdown and restart can resolve temporary electronic glitches. Turn off your Acadia, wait about 30 seconds, and then restart it to see if the system resets. For a more thorough cleaning, use a soft, damp cloth with a mild automotive soap. Gently wipe down the sensor areas on both sides of your rear bumper. Avoid using abrasive cleaners or high-pressure washers directly on the sensors, as this could cause damage. While cleaning, carefully inspect each sensor for any visible cracks, dents, or loose wiring. These small details can often point to the root of the problem. If your side detection system still isn't working after these easy troubleshooting steps, it's likely time to consult a certified GMC technician. They have specialized diagnostic tools that can pinpoint more complex electrical issues or sensor malfunctions. Attempting advanced repairs yourself without the right equipment could lead to further problems. A professional can ensure your system is properly repaired and calibrated for optimal safety and performance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.